welcome to our Russian course. My name is Maria, and if you have come back after our previous classes, I'm really happy to have you back. So, last time we were talking about places in the city, and I think that one of the most popular places in every city is a cafe or restaurant. So today I'm going to talk about cafes, restaurants and food that you can find in a menu of a regular cafe. In Russia there is a difference between a cafe and a restaurant. So we'll talk about it in the video, and also we will see what kinds of food you can find in the menu which sound just like the food that you are used to. So they sound similar to English names. Well, some of them are going to be a little bit different, but you'll get it real fast. So, let's jump right into it. Make yourself comfortable and let's have our 6th cup of Russian together.
So this is an example of a cafe. This is a very popular place in our city, which is called Dodo Pizza. So it's a pizzeria. As you can see, it has a pretty simple design, yet very stylish. And this is very affordable comparing to a restaurant. So, this example is an example of a kids' cafe where parents can come and let their kids play in the play zone while they chat and have some food. And this is an example of a Japanese-style cafe. I'd say pizzerias and Japanese cafes are two most popular kinds of cafes here, because when people go, they want either pizza or sushi in most cases. Of course, not always. We also have European cuisine and Russian cuisine, Ukrainian cuisine, Chinese, and so on. Well, Chinese usually take out, not a cafe. That's why, for example, this place is a kind of combined place. So it's a two-store building. Yeah, it's a two-store building. And on the first floor, in the picture, there is a Japanese cafe where you can eat some sushi. But if you go up, you'll go to the other part of the cafe, which is a pizzeria. So very frequently you can see two of those cuisines combined in one place. Now, if we move on to restaurants, you can notice that restaurants are more official. They don't look as casual as cafes. And restaurants are more expensive. And these are places where you would want to go for some special occasions, not just, to have a coffee and some nice chat with your friends. So these are some examples of restaurants in our cities. Alright, and before we will learn how to order some food in a cafe or in a restaurant, and before we look at a menu that you will typically see in a cafe, we're gonna learn the second group of unfamiliar letters with familiar sounds. As our topic is still food and eating out, I have prepared some food items for you, which again sound very similar to English. Let's have a look at the first letter, which is G. And the sound is G, as in grapefruit. G. Grapefruit. G. G. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. So this is what it sounds like in Russian. Grapefruit. Now the second letter is F. F. And the sound is F. F. As in fruit. Fruit. In Russian it is frukt if you talk about one, or frukty if you talk about multiple fruit. multiple kinds of fruit. Frukt, frukty, f. Okay, the third one is e. It's a vowel, e, as in espresso, e, e. In Russian, it's exactly the same word, espresso, espresso, espresso. Only R becomes Russian, yeah, you remember from the previous videos. Espresso, espresso. Okay, the next letter is U, U. And the sound is the same as it's a vowel. U as in unique, U, unique. The salad that you can see in the picture is called Russian salad abroad, as far as I know. However, in Russia, it has two different names. Its official name is Olivier, Olivier, because it was created by a man who worked in a restaurant in Moscow, and his last name was Olivier. Sounds very French, so I used to think that it's a French salad. No, it's Russian. Olivier. And its unofficial name is winter salad, zimний салат, winter salad. Why winter? Because it's a traditional New Year salad. So I guess like 99.9% people cook this salad for New Year. So it's unique because it's Russian, exists only in Russia. However, there is one more salad which is also called Russian abroad. And you can see this salad on the right. It belongs to our final letter for today. So the letter is Ya, Ya, as in yummy, Ya, yummy. This salad is very yummy. It's very simple to cook. It has super simple ingredients that all people always have at home because it's like a vegetable salad, and these kinds of vegetables are typically grown in kitchen gardens, if people have kitchen gardens, and especially in villages everybody has kitchen gardens. In English, I also heard it's called like Russian potato beetroot salad, and these are the main ingredients. We also add carrots, peas, canned cabbage, and dill there. I guess that's it. Yeah. And of course potato and beetroot. And it's all dressed with oil, sunflower seed oil or olive oil. It does not matter. So, and it's also called Russian salad. By the way, have you ever heard about Russian salad? And which salad is Russian for you? Or both? Because I'm really confused. All right. By the way, the three final letters which you see on the screen are the three final letters of the alphabet. E, U, Ya. So, now we can go on and imagine that we go to a cafe. In Russian, it is cafe. You can see this word right here. Cafe. 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 Of course, the first thing we want to see in a cafe is a menu, which is in Russian menu. 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 In cafes, menus are often written on chalkboards, just like you see here, and it really looks very stylish. Or they can be regular paper menus, like here. Oh, it doesn't matter actually. So, and now let's have a look at some items that we can see in the menu of a regular cafe. You now see some examples on the screen, and on the left we have food, on the right we have drinks. We're gonna read them and then try to match with their English translations. Some of them are very alike and it will be really easy to guess. Well, others are a little bit more difficult, but I'm sure we'll get it done. So let's read them first. Омлет. 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 Remember our unstressed O? That goes to A. Омлет. Омлет. Okay, the next one. Pasta. 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 The third one is salad. 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 The next one is soup. Soup. Then we have wafli. 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 And the last one here is sandwich. 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 Make sure that here you pronounce V, not W, as in the English word. It's just V. Sandwich. Sandwich. Alright, and now drinks. The first drink is coffee. 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 Then goes cacao. Cacao. Here you also can see an unstressed O, but it is still pronounced as O, just because cacao is not a Russian word. And usually when a word comes from another language, these reading rules stay the same. Cacao. Cacao. Okay, number 3. Soak. Soak. Then we have smoothie. 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 And вода. 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 Okay, great. Now pause the video, try to match the English words with the Russian ones, and then we'll check. So let's see what we have. Омлет, pasta, salad, soup, wafli, sandwich, coffee, cacao, сок, smoothie, вода. Perfect. How many did you get right? So, and now let's have a look at the menu. Try to think what you would like to have. Omelette, salad, sandwich, waffle, soup, and coffee, espresso. By the way, espresso is in the menu. Coffee, espresso, cacao, sok, or smoothie. And you can see even prices in rubles. So, how to make an order? In Russian you can say Я буду. Я буду. Я буду. It's like I'll have this, and that. Я буду. For example, я буду салат. Я буду салат. Or я буду сэндвич и сок. И means and. Я буду сэндвич и сок. Now, let's try to translate this part into English. Я буду сэндвич. I'll have a sandwich. Я буду сэндвич. Have you noticed that we have no articles in Russian? This is very good news. We really don't have any articles. So, whatever noun you say, in singular, in plural, countable, uncountable, it doesn't matter at all. We just have no articles. So you just say nouns as they are. Я буду салат or я буду сэндвич и сок.
Alrighty, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. And can you please let me know in the comments what kind of food you usually order when you go out? And is there any difference between cafes and restaurants in your country? Alright, your worksheet and the key to the worksheet, as usual, is waiting for you in the description box. So make sure you do the task. And if you have any questions, please, you can ask me anytime in the comment section down below. I will be really glad to help. So, have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Пока!